Welcome to this deep dive. Today we're unpacking a pretty intriguing health guide, all about how your tongue actually acts as a diagnostic mirror for your nutritional health.
Yeah, it's a fascinating topic, especially, if you or someone you love is over 60.
Right, exactly. So our mission today is to equip you with this really simple, actionable 5-point checklist. But we should state right up front, this deep dive is strictly for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor.
Absolutely. So to understand why the tongue is this highly effective early warning system, we kind of have to look at how it grows.
Okay.
Yeah. The surface cells of your tongue, they renew themselves roughly every 7 to 10 days, which is incredibly fast.
Yeah.
I mean, compare that to your skin, which takes closer to a full month.
Wait, every 7 to 10 days? That is fast.
Right. And because of that rapid turnover, your tongue needs a really constant, steady supply of raw materials like vitamin B12,
Ugh.
folate, iron, just to keep building fresh tissue.
So it's basically like hiring a construction crew to pour a brand new concrete floor in your house every single week.
Oh, that's a great way to think about it.
Right, like if the supply trucks bringing the concrete and lumber start showing up late or, half empty, that new floor is going to look rough and thin almost immediately.
It is a perfect analogy. And for folks over 60, those supply trucks run short quite often. Aging brings a few quiet changes. Like first, stomach acid naturally declines, and you really need that to absorb B12.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, and second, lots of common medications for blood pressure or acid reflux, they actively block nutrient absorption.
Wow. And I guess smaller appetites mean less dietary variety too.
Exactly. So you're absorbing less, but your body's demand for those nutrients hasn't dropped at all. Which brings us to the checklist, because the tongue shows these shortages weeks before blood work might actually catch them.
Okay, let's unpack that specific visual checklist then. Sign number one is a smooth, shiny, or glossy tongue. If those tiny bumps, the papillae, are constantly rebuilding, what happens when they don't get enough B12 or folate?
Well, they literally shrink and flatten out. The medical term is atrophic glossitis. Under a microscope, you can watch them disappear, almost like grass being mowed
And
down.
leaving it looking unnaturally smooth. Okay, what about sign two? Deep, new cracks. Does the tissue actually break down?
It does. Without enough B vitamins, specifically B2, riboflavin, or B3, the tissue loses its elasticity. It gets dry and brittle.
And then it just cracks under the motion of talking and chewing.
Exactly. But we need to be careful here.
Let me push back, actually. Aren't some cracks just genetic? I mean, I've seen people who naturally have lines on their tongue.
That is a vital distinction. Yes, a few shallow lines, especially down the center, often just run in families. They mean absolutely nothing. We're looking for new, deep, sore cracks.
Ah, okay. New and sore. That makes sense. So that's texture and structure. Sign three is pale, grayish-pink color. Does a lack of nutrients actually drain the color?
Yes, specifically iron. So the tongue has a rich blood supply right near the surface. If iron drops, you produce fewer, paler red blood cells.
Wow.
And the tongue physically turns this pale grayish pink. It's a visible sign of iron deficiency anemia. And for seniors, that can sometimes indicate silent, slow blood loss somewhere in the digestive tract.
That is crucial to catch early. Okay, moving on to sign four, swollen with scallop edges. Our sources talk about the entire structure changing shape.
Yeah, that happens when a very severe B12 deficiency causes the tissue itself to swell. Or it can point to thyroid problems, which definitely become more common after 60.
So it swells and presses against the teeth, just picturing that like dough pressing against a cookie cutter.
Right, slowly molding to them over time. It's a very distinct physical change.
Okay, sign five. This is where it gets really interesting to me. What if someone feels a burning or tingling sensation, but there is zero physical change to how the tongue looks?
Well, what's fascinating there is the actual mechanism. The nerve endings in your tongue are incredibly dense. When they aren't getting adequate B12 or iron for proper maintenance, they essentially misfire.
They just send out false alarms.
Exactly. They send out pain or heat signals, creating this scalded feeling, even though there's no physical trigger at all.
So what does this all mean for you listening? The biggest mistake you can make is brushing these signs off as just getting older or, panicking. These are often highly correctable nutritional gaps.
Highly correctable. The actionable step is incredibly simple. Check your tongue in natural light for just 10 seconds every day.
Yeah, and just jot down any changes you notice in your phone.
Yeah.
And then take that straight to your doctor, right?
Yes. You can ask for specific, very inexpensive blood tests, a B12 level, folate, a complete blood count, and a thyroid panel. Bringing them these visual tongue changes gives them a concrete reason to look deeper.
Before we wrap up, let's circle back to that construction crew pouring the concrete floor. If a visible tissue as small as your tongue physically transforms this drastically smoothing out, cracking open, misfiring just from a minor vitamin dip,
Yeah,
imagine how the hidden tissues deep inside your brain and nervous system are silently reacting to the exact same missing supply truck.